In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Pandora Modes feature. Let's get started. First, launch your Pandora app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Keep in mind that Pandora modes are available only on supported stations and may require a Pandora Plus or Pandora Premium subscription depending on the feature and your account. Now navigate to the section My Collection. Select one of your existing stations. Once this station starts playing, look near the top of the station screen for the modes option. Tap it to view the available listing modes. Choose a mode that best matches what you want to hear. Depending on the station, you may see options such as My Station for Standard Mix, Discovery to hear more new and lesser known songs, Crowd Faves for popular listener favorites, Deep Cuts for less familiar tracks from artists you like, Artists only to focus on songs by the station's featured artist, or newly released to prioritize recent releases when available. After selecting a mode, Pandora will immediately adjust the music played on that station to match your preference. You can switch between modes at any time and your station will continue to adapt without affecting your saved thumbs up, thumbs down, or other station settings. If you don't see the modes option, make sure you are using the latest version of the Pandora app. Also remember that not every station supports all listening modes and the available options may vary based on the station, your subscription plan, and the device you are using. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.